Elements of sets in Python must be mutable or immutable. I was reading sets in Python, this URL, and got confusion that whether the elements of sets in Python must be mutable or immutable. Because in the definition section they said a set contains an unordered collection of unique and immutable objects. If it is true, then how can a set contain the list as list is mutable? Can someone clarify my doubt?
When you pass the set constructor built in any iterable, it builds a set out of the elements provided in the iterable. So when you pass set a list, it creates a set containing the objects within the list, not a set containing the list itself, which is not permissible as you expect because lists are mutable. So what matters is that the objects inside your list are immutable, which is true in the case of your linked tutorial, as you have a list of immutable strings. Note that this printing formatting doesn't mean your set contains a list, it is just how sets are represented when printed. For instance, we can create a set from a tuple and it will be printed the same way. In Python 2, sets are printed as set, separated elements.
You seem to be confusing initializing a set with a list with adding a list to an existing set. The latter will throw an error, where the former initializes the set with the values from the list you provide as an argument. What is most likely the cause for the confusion is that when you print A from the first example, it looks like again, but here, 1, 2, is not a list, just the way A is represented. Gives. Without you ever specifying the list.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.